Today, we're going to be talking about 3 ways you can naturally boost your bust. Ever try stuffing your bra with tissue, wearing ultra padded bras, or walking with your girls all out? When all is said and done, those things don't actually make your breasts bigger. Lucky for you, I've got a few tips to naturally boost your bust. Tip number 1, exercise. A lot of girls don't want to exercise because they think their breasts will shrink. It's all about doing the right exercises. So leave those push-up and padded bras at home and work out your pecs. You know, those muscles underneath your boobs? Chest exercises can actually add a lot of oomph to your bust. Tip number 2, boob massage. Who doesn't love a good boob massage? It makes you feel womanly and sexy, especially if your man does it to you. So what does a boob massage really do? It increases circulation, which promotes growth and produces prolactin, which is just a fancy name for the hormone that makes your breasts bigger. Tip number 3, eat big boob food. Big boob food? Ah, gotcha. There is no such thing. But there are foods that are higher in estrogen, which can promote breast growth. So maybe there is such thing as big boob food. Apples, almonds, cashews, flax seeds, and cumin all contain estrogen. Flax seeds are the best to eat because they increase breast tissue, which help grow your boobs. When it comes to increasing your breast size, they won't get bigger overnight, ladies, but you can use these methods to boost your bust. Thanks a lot for watching.